We're here today to meet Barbara Brown, aka the Bird Lady of Balloch. Rumour has it she can talk to animals and understand them, so we're here today to investigate if this is true or not. Hello Barbara.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
Well, I'm actually so excited because I got told that I'm at the top of the list to adopt a Chinese cave gecko.
And why are you so excited about that?
Well, I'm actually so excited because it was lizards that made me realise I could talk to the animals, and the birds and the lizards are connected, and that's why I'm so good at communicating with them. It actually is.
Is there any chance we could see you talk to some of these birds?
Of course. No problem at all. No problem.
So Barbara, what is it that makes you think you can actually talk to the birds?
Well, I don't just think that I can talk to the birds, I actually can. And I've been telling my friends here about their adoption. They're really, really excited. They actually are.
Some people question your ability if you can actually talk to these animals or not. What would you say to them?
What? Who said that? Who said that? I'll show you right now that I can talk to the birds. I actually will. That's slander. That's slander. I'm sick of this. I'll show you right now. I actually will. So, you're really excited about me adopting my lizard, aren't you? See? See? Said that he's really excited and that he's quite hungry for lunch. Fidget's awful fidgety. Orla's angry because Norman's taking me to go dancing. This is Morag. She's a wee terror. Look at her. Don't you worry about it, I said that. Okay, Orla. She's a wee terror, wee Morag, so she is. This is Genty. Genty Maguire. He's awful Genty. We've got this thing that we do. I know what you had for dinner yesterday, and I know that you've got an upset tummy, but I really need you to do this one thing for me and show everybody that we can speak. He's really shy today. He's being really shy. This is our last chance to prove to everybody that I can talk to the birds. So I need you to help me and talk back to me. Just please say something and let everybody know that I can speak to you. Silly child. Well, that's just stupid.
What's wrong, Barbara?
I'm actually devastated. The lizard just phoned and they said that I can't adopt the lizard because I'm not old enough. So I need to wait another 5 years before I can adopt the lizard. I'm devastated. I don't understand why they wouldn't let me adopt the lizard. I'm the lizard queen. I actually am.
Am I a psycho? Am I a psycho? Yeah, I'm a psycho. I guess I'm a psycho.
You're crazy. I like you, but you're crazy.